Photography, fueled by the passion of storytellers, will forever capture the essence of life, transcending to the next chapter. It's like finding a hidden language that allows me to tell stories with images instead of words. When you pick up your camera, one of the most challenging things to photograph is an eclipse. The weather and city lights can make it difficult to get a good shot, but there is one place where these obstacles disappear. This story about Utah. This story takes me to the American desert. Factory Butte is a unique haven to capture the celestial spectacle of an eclipse. Its stark, undulating formations create a surreal environment that is perfect for capturing the beauty of the cosmos. Around 90 million years ago, during the Cretaceous period, an inland sea covered much of what is now Utah. This sea gradually deposited a thick layer of sediment, primarily composed of mud and silt. Over time, these sediments were compacted and hardened into sedimentary rocks. The Blue Gate Shale member, for instance, is characterized by its blue-gray color and high clay content, while the overlying Muley Canyon sandstone member is a more resistant sandstone that appears in a red. In this magical place, you do not feel yourself as an observer. I can participate in this cosmic dance, standing in silent reverence, waiting for the moment when the sun meets the moon, one perfect shot. In the heart of Utah's wilderness, Factory Butte stands as a testament to the sublime beauty of our universe. Nature's raw power meets delicate grace in this silent desert cathedral. It reminds me that even in the most remote corners, magic always happens.